Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell on Monday as traders took a breather after the major averages posted a 4-week winning streak. The Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 0.16%, the S&P 500 shed 0.2%, and the Nasdaq Composite edged lower by 0.07%. US retailers are noticing a decline in consumer spending despite a 7.5% increase in e-commerce spending on Black Friday compared to the previous year. Some e-commerce stocks rose on Cyber Monday, with shares of Amazon and Shopify jumping about 0.7% and 4.9% respectively. Buy now, pay later stock Affirm popped nearly 12% as shoppers flocked to the usage of BNPL options for their Cyber Monday purchases. Moving to other company news, iRobot's shares fell 17% as the EU watchdog raised competition concerns about Amazon's $1.7 billion acquisition. The European Commission suspects the deal might limit competition in the robot vacuum cleaner market, initiating an in-depth probe after Amazon announced the purchase in August 2022 for $61 per share. Weak spending data overall could ultimately be a positive signal that the Federal Reserve's rate hikes are finally starting to weigh on the broader economy. The Consumer Confidence Report is due Tuesday, while the Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index is set to be released on Thursday. New home sales data released on Monday showed new homes sold at a slower rate than expected pace in October, while still showing improvement from a year ago, according to data from the Commerce Department. Turning to US sectors, real estate, consumer discretionary, utilities and tech were the only sectors that closed higher overnight. Health was the worst performer. In commodity-related news, gold hit a 6-month high on Monday as a softer dollar and expectations of a pause in the Federal Reserve's monetary tightening helped bullion consolidate above the key $2,000 an ounce level. Oil prices have been choppy as investors awaited OPEC's decision on production cuts. Brent crude slightly dropped to $80.43 a barrel, while West Texas Intermediate edged up to $75.57 a barrel. The meeting, initially set for the weekend, was rescheduled due to disputes with Angola and Nigeria over output targets. Oil briefly dipped but recovered after the delay was announced. Looking ahead to the Australian landscape, the SPI futures are pointing to a 0.1% gain. Thank you for listening.